Hey, the name's Fred, and welcome to another talking point about fashion. Because school, unlike for me, either started today or it will soon for you. Because I wasn't chosen, like, some of us, because the school said we weren't cool enough to go back. Because I'm pretty dang sure the school didn't get chosen to get there. Okay. I can do this. Yes. Now, this is going to be a bigger one. It took me like 4 days to film. Because, as you probably saw already, I'm doing 20 back to school outfits. Mainly for the people that are going back into school, but I guess you could wear the top half for the Zoom call. But I'll do a separate one for us poor souls later. Because remember, we're all in this together. Now buy my product, freaking every company in early 2020. Whatever, let's just start. This took forever to do. Roll the first one. Now, outfit number 1 here. We're gonna be out here starting off a little dressy with it. So, got the black shirt, I tuck it into the navy pants, got some black combat boots. It's you're going to do a class presentation outfit. But, it's getting a little cold out there, so you wanna add a little jacket onto it. So instead of just tossing on like your basic little bomber jacket, I put on this nice little red kimono that I had, and of course. Don't you hate when someone calls you in the middle of recording? So now I had to literally stop and start again. Future me, this is clip 2. Just add it to it, by the way. Okay, where did I leave off on it? Yeah, a kimono. Yeah. It's just a kimono, and it still looks kind of dressy with it. So outfit number 2 is the exact same one, but all I did was add a jean jacket onto it, just making it a little more casual, so you could probably wear it every day if that's, what you're into. Number 3, just a simple green shirt, similar to this. Actually, it's exactly this one. And I have the same navy pants. I added some green shoes, really rolling with the casual vibe of it. And as everything, you can make it dressy, which is in outfit number 4, just by, tucking that shirt in, slimming it down a little, and boom, now it's a little more dressy. You can go out and go on a good little picnic date in that outfit. In outfit number 5, I like to call this one, it's very simple, I like green. I just went monochrome with green colors, with just a green shirt, green pants, green shoes. And if I had the green glasses, I probably would have put those on. So, that's that. I like green. Number 6, I call this one the Cottagecore V2, and that's a throwback to another video I did of 4 outfits from 4 eras. Yeah, that should probably pop up if I ever figured out how to do that. Right here. Okay. In outfit number 7, I call the Fall is Coming, and I'm getting happy. Outfit number 8. Fall is coming, and it's getting cold, and I'm getting a little less happy. Now, outfit number 9. I call this one the Basic Theater Kid. With the black turtleneck, checkered pants, and combat boots. Number 10. That same theater kid, but now we found a jean jacket. And number 11. I made fun of the theater kid so much that now he's shy, so he ditched the jacket and put on an oversized sweater, so that way he can cradle in his own insecurities. Why am I making fun of a theater kid so much? I literally am this kid. I either will or I definitely have worn this before. And I know I've had that same script in my hand. Alice in Wonderland, shout out my cast. I missed y'all. Sandbass Theater, my heart. Okay, where did I leave off on that? Outfit number 12, okay? We have some green overalls, a white shirt. It's pretty simple, and I like that. Number 13, it's still simple. It's the exact same one, but I put the overalls down, and now I look like I could work at a restaurant, like a bougie barn, kinda, That makes sense. Number 14, all I did was make it red. Can't you tell that I'm kind of running out of ideas here? I don't know, it's probably like day 3 or 2 of me making this. Number 15, all I did was make it black. Well, we're going great here with the creativity. Okay, now number 16. Now this looks pretty good. You got the white polo, the striped pants. The polo shirt itself is actually oversized, so I just kind of stuffed it in my pants, and it gives like a really nice silhouette. I'd wear this one. I can see myself wearing that. Now number 16. Take the same outfit, but slap that sweater on because remember, fall's coming, and it's getting cold. Number 18. It's the fall one again, but this time he's emo because he's wearing black pants. Some of these had to start changing pants because I couldn't think of anything else to do. Number 19. If you can't tell, it's because I like one color. So everything else is black except that one color that you see, which is yellow. And finally, number 20. I like to call this one the, oh my god, this has taken me 4 days. I'm running out of ideas. It is so hot in my room because my fan doesn't at all warm it up. And you know what? You get this disproportional, odd looking one. So enjoy. I'm done. I'm going to bed. I'm tired. Okay? Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed, and just remember this one thing to take from it. I don't know how you should dress. I barely know how I should dress. You wear what you think you look great in. May that be a dress, may that be a suit. It doesn't matter. If you look good in it and you like it, go ahead. So, Fredthename. I'll see you soon. Tell me yours in the comments below. Like it, subscribe, please. I want that algorithm to kick in. And enjoy. Bye. I messed my outro up. Yay.
Let's spin a disc.